everybody, here we are at Southampton Boat Show and we are on board this lovely GenoCap Camarat. This one has been tested here with the new Yamaha docking system at Southampton Boat Show. So we've done lots of videos on this before, but now you can tie in the bow thruster to an algorithm through the joystick here, and it doesn't matter what bow thruster you use anymore. It doesn't have to be Vetus, it can be side power as it is on this one, and it helps the boat dock sideways onto your marina by tying the bow thruster and the engines all into sideways or forward thrust. So we're just going to go out and do a quick demo on it to show how it works, and also to look at this new system, which is a wireless remote. So you can now dock your boat from anywhere on the boat with this wireless control, which is really handy, especially if you've got restricted vision on your boat and you need to be able to dock the boat safely. So let's go out and have a look. It is much quieter.
Crabbing against the current as well.
That's an awesome bit of kit, isn't it?
Takes a load of stress out of it. So you've got your depth reading on here, and you can also link this into your windlass, so you can be in full control of your engines whilst and your anchor out, and it gives you the ability to be anywhere on the boat whilst having full control of the boat using Helmmaster.
Smart bit of kit. Thank you very much, gents.